Before we finish reading, we're going to review the blue text box questions on the right and at the bottom. Number 8. What happened at the Battle of Actium? Number 9. How do you think Cicero might have reacted when the Senate named Octavian the first emperor of Rome? The check for understanding questions at the bottom. You have to number the events in the order that they happened. Number 1. Octavian became emperor. Number 2. Marius reformed the military. Number 3. Caesar was murdered. Number 4. Julius Caesar declared himself dictator for life. Number 5. The first triumvirate was formed. And number 6. Octavian fought a civil war against Antony and Cleopatra. In 31 BC, the navies of Antony and Cleopatra fought those of Octavian at the Battle of Actium. Octavian's forces crushed the couple's army and navy. Antony and Cleopatra later killed themselves. Octavian became Rome's only ruler. Julius Caesar's death, then civil war, then the second triumvirate, then the Battle of Actium, then Antony and Cleopatra die, and then Octavian becomes emperor. Cicero, a writer, political leader, and speaker, strongly supported the Republican government. Octavian, however, believed that a republic was too weak to solve Rome's problems. He wanted power for himself. The Senate finally agreed to his wishes and declared Octavian commander-in-chief. Octavian took the title of Augustus. Augustus means the majestic one. In 27 BC, Caesar Augustus became Rome's first emperor.